Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about why are you such a baby? Oh my god. Customer calls out male DoorDash shoppers who refuse to buy period products. So it's not abnormal for female customers to call out male shoppers for DoorDash and Instacart and things like that. But what I'm finding interesting right off the bat is that there is a driver out there who's refusing to buy certain products for customers because they are a little sensitive. I have no problem buying those products. I'm kind of like whatever about it. It's not really that big a deal overall. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers and customers on all platforms, DoorDash, UberEats, Grubhub, Instacart, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A TikToker is calling out men who work for shopping services like Instacart or DoorDash who refuse to fulfill orders with period products, explaining that this phenomenon has happened to them several times. It is part of your work if you decide to do shop and deliver orders to fulfill the order. This is one of those risks you take, that sometimes you're going to deliver products you're not comfortable shopping for. Again, personally, I know it's not for me, so I don't have a problem with it, but I know a lot of people that do, and it's kind of sad. In the video posted by Jordan at Jordan Rio on March 23rd, they say they ordered sanitary products, but the male delivery driver claimed he couldn't find them. After making a second order and being assigned to a woman shopper, the customer was able to receive the pads. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Honestly, I don't even think you should have went through that. I think the guy should have nutted up and got period products for you. I actually made a TikTok about me doing a Sephora order on Uber Eats and how I felt so masculine, making a joke about it. Apparently here, they actually had a problem fulfilling a period product order. Like, what is that? There needs to be a punishment for men who don't bring you your sanitary materials that you ordered, Jordan says in the clip. This is a male driver, and he's like, they're not there. Okay, if they are there, you absolutely should get the products. It's that simple. If they're not there, that's a different story. But don't lie saying it's not there. Now, again, I'm assuming maybe it really wasn't there, and that was a whole issue in its own right. But again, if you have a problem buying period products, grow up. In the comment section, viewers clown male shoppers for supposedly being too grossed out to look for period products. Grossed out? It's not like you're looking for used period products. It's not like you're trying to fish them out of a toilet. You're buying them off a shelf. What is that? Now, don't ask me to be an expert on how tampons work or anything like that. I don't know if you noticed, I don't have the equipment to explain those different products. So if the exact one's not there, I'm going to call and ask which ones you're actually looking for if there needs to be a replacement. But still, they act like period products are going to infect them one road. Imagine being scared of a box of tampons as a grown man, another joked. I don't know if it's a fear thing or a grossing out thing, but either way, it is really messed up. I agree with that. Others shared their differing experiences with men and women shoppers. I ordered overnight maxi pads and he gave me panty liners. Just ask, and it's not that hard, a commenter said. You know, I'm glad you said that, because one time I actually did have a Walgreens order that asked for a particular set of variety pack tampons that were organic, which I didn't even know was a thing. So instead of me trying to assume that I knew which flow she wanted, I asked her, hey, just quick question. I really don't know what I'm looking for. If they don't have the variety pack, which one of these single packs would you like? Because sometimes people will just say like, oh, they're so incompetent for not knowing. Yeah, I don't know how tampons work, okay? I don't know what's a fair substitution and what isn't. I might be just letting out my own frustration there, but Jesus. Bro, I ordered a pregnancy test. They canceled it saying it was out. Went to Walgreens an hour later and bought the same test another road. I've only had one competent male shopper, a third added. Okay, pregnancy tests. I feel like that was less about the fact that it was a pregnancy test and more about just getting the base pay for a canceled order. Like, I don't even think it was about that. That's just a personal thing. I may be wrong there, but that's what I believe. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. First off, I think that if you're a guy that has a problem buying particular products on any store, it doesn't matter if it's an alcohol order and you just don't want to ID people, or if it's period products because they gross you out, you should not be doing shop and deliver orders if you feel that way about any product. I understand that it feels like it's a lot of extra work for the same amount of pay. I get that. Don't do those orders in that case, though. I feel like that's very missed across the board. Like, I get it. You don't want to do adult product orders or female product orders, but then don't do them. Don't just be the guy to accept them and then complain about doing particular items. Like, come on. Either do them or don't do them. It's that simple. Jordan, I really hope that in the future that you don't receive a shopper like this, but honestly, the guy should have grown up. This is the one time I would have to side with the ladies on this because, come on, it's really not that big a deal. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!